Hi, it's Tony and you're in Pop Pop's Workshop. Today I want to talk about some product we just got from Empire Goods Company. If you are on YouTube and maybe you're watching Jeff Mack, he's got some great videos. He's got a really nice business. He does some larger projects. But through Empire Goods, he's also now selling some of the templates he uses, epoxy, different products like that, molds. So we got a few things. Let's take a look at what we got from him. One of the things that the wife is really loving is the nested charcuterie board templates. We've looked at those and I just thought, man, that's going to be a little time consuming for me to do a template, or two templates to make that work. Don't have to now. Got it from Jeff. Also, we got a silicone mold for coasters. Got some scrap wood, and I thought it'd be nice to throw some thin scraps in there and maybe put a little epoxy in, see about some coasters. And if it goes well, we'll get more of these, make more than one at a time. And one other thing we've been doing, thinking about doing, is we have some wine plates, and I wanted to do one in this exact configuration, but I was going to have to spend the time to make the template. Well, no, these are inexpensive. It's a good sturdy template. This saved me a lot of time, and it's very cool, good quality. So if you get a chance, run over to Empire Goods. They're on Instagram. I'll put a link to them in the description, and check out Jeff's channel. I'll put a link in there as well. Thanks, Jeff, for the great products, and hopefully you're all getting good products in your shop today. And remember, you can do this.